Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoCharge YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be going to talk about a screener that I have made in the charting platform, which is absolutely free of cost. This screener is going to help us identify swing trading or short-term trading stocks based upon fundamentals as well as technical criteria. The fundamental criteria that I have used in this screener is the increase in earnings per share of a stock. So I am looking for stocks where the increase in earnings per share from the past 3 quarters has been increasing consistently. This is the first criteria. The second criteria that I have used is the ROC and ROE of a company should be greater than the number 20. One can change this number to 15 also. Yeah, and the third criteria or the technical criteria that I have used is the stock should be within the 20% of the 52-week high number, so that we are going to get stocks that are near 52-week high, that are in good momentum, where the buyers are more interested. Also, I have used a simple filtration of moving average, where a stock closing above the 50-day moving average only should be filtered, so that we are going to get stocks that are in good momentum, which are above the 50-day exponential moving average. One can change this criteria to 21-day exponential moving average to find out purely momentum stocks. The market cap of a company should be more than 2000 crore rupees, so that we have good liquidity in those stocks, and we do not face any problems. Also, the latest volume or the average volume should be more than 1 lakh, 1 lakh, so that we are not getting stuck into liquidity problems. This screener is going to give us around 5 to 7 stocks per week, and it could be more or less. One does not need to cover or screen the stocks every day, because these stocks are good enough for the next weeks. Okay, so we have around 7 stocks but on this day. So let us go through these stocks in the TradingView platform and how one can take an entry using this screener. There are many ways on how to enter a particular stock. So let us go through some of the ways on how to enter a particular stock. One method starting is a 52-week high breakout, a multi-year breakout, or some stocks that are taking key support on the 21 moving average or the 50-day moving average, stocks that are in good or high relative strength, stocks that are in clear uptrend or forming higher high, higher low structure, a chart pattern breakout. Chart pattern breakout means cup and handle pattern breakout, or inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout, or triangle pattern breakout. These are some of the methods that a person can use to enter into a particular stock. Also, one can use a breakout retest strategy to have low risk entries into a particular stock. Now, how to set stop loss in each and every case. In some cases, you have to keep stop loss below horizontal support, or below key moving averages, below trendline support, or 10.2 super trend. So these are the methods of keeping a stop loss and entering into a stock. Always keep in mind, stop loss is very important part of trading, and one should never ignore a stop loss. Keep in mind the risk to reward ratio of a particular stock. So if RR ratio is greater than 1:2, then only it is a good or a profitable strategy over a longer period of time. Hence, always keep in mind the risk to reward ratio, the stop loss, and the position sizing whenever you are entering into a particular stock. Now let us go through some of the stocks that we have got in this screener. So we have got LTTS, JSL, Hisar, Tanla, HCL Techs, Sonata Software, Vidhi Engineering, IEX, Cosmo Films. So let us go through few of the stocks from this whole list. In case of Vidhi Speciality, as we can see that the stock has broken out of a 52-week area, then one can draw the resistance area. We can see that the stock has broken out on good volumes in this, and also on a verge of retesting this particular area. One can enter into this stock while keeping the stop loss below this area, as this was an area of support for this before breaking out. Also, coincidentally, the moving average or the 21 exponential moving average, which is the red line in this chart, is also near the same area. So this could act as a very good support for the stock in the coming days. The second stock that we can look upon for entering is LTTS. So in this case, let us analyze whether there is a proper entry. As we can see that the stock has today broken the 50 moving average. So in this case, it is not advised to take an entry, because we are going to take entry in only those stocks that are trading above the 50-day exponential moving average, where it defines the short-term trend of a stock. In case of JSL Hisar, as we can see that the stock is too much extended from the 21 EMA, and hence we don't have a proper risk to reward entry. So let us mark some key areas for this stock. So one can enter on this area keeping this as a stop loss. So one should always think in terms of risk and reward. If the risk is feasible to you, then one can enter into this stock. Let us check Tanla platforms. So in case of Tanla platforms, as we can see, the stock is near the 21 EMA. But in this case, one should be cautious while entering into this, because the stock has a tendency to move in upper or lower circuits, as we can see from the past history, and also it is in the circuit limit band. So one should always keep in mind the risk involved before entering into a particular trade. Looking at the next examples in our watch list is Cosmo Films. As we can see that the stock has broken out of a 52-week area and has retested the area today. Now we should always wait for a confirmation candle on the retest area to be on a safer side, and hence you can take a trade once there is a green candle that is forming above the support area. Okay, then on the next we have IEX, where clearly we can see that the stock is in clearly sideways zone, and this type of bigger bearish engulfing candle is not a good idea to take a trade upon. So we would reject this stock also based upon the price action and the candlestick pattern that we can see. The last stock that we will see today is Sumitomo Chemical, where we can see that the stock is already 15% below the 52-week high, and the moving averages have been clearly in sideways zone, and the stock is moving clearly in lower high lower low structure. So this is also a stock that you should not look upon. So to summarize this video, I would suggest you to trade the stocks that are above the 52-week high area, or the stocks that are in a clear uptrend where they are forming a higher high higher low structure. You should trade upon stocks where the breakout is happening on a clear bigger volumes, and if the stock is retesting there, that should be on a lower volumes. Also look upon whether the stock is having sound fundamentals apart from the tech fundamentals that we have seen, like the promoter holding or the debt to equity ratio, or sales increase or operating profit margin. These are the criteria that can further boost your stock selection and improve your stock selection. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and kindly like and subscribe the YouTube channel, as we are a new and a growing YouTube channel, and I promise you to deliver quality content in the coming future. Thank you.